Find the volume of a prism whose base is a triangle if first one, sides are 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 5 centimeters and height is equal to 3 centimeters. Second one, area of the base is 30 meters square and height is equal to 8 meters. This figure is a prism. In this prism, ABC is the base and DEF is the top. In this prism, base and top are triangles. In this prism, AD is called the height and AD will be equal to BE in measure and AD will be equal to CF in measure. First one, A is equal to 3 centimeters, B is equal to 4 centimeters, C is equal to 5 centimeters and height is equal to 3 centimeters. We can find the volume of a prism using the formula B is equal to area of the base into height. Area of the base is not given, but the base is a triangle, its sides are given. We can find the area of the base using the formula A is equal to root of h into h minus a into h minus b into h minus c, where a, b and c are sides and h is equal to a plus b plus c by 2. Substitute the values of a, b and c in this formula to find h. That is equal to 3 plus 4 plus 5 by 2. 3 plus 4 plus 5 is 12. So this will be equal to 12 by 2. Let us simplify these two in the rough work. Common factor of 12 and 2 is 2. Divide both of them with common factor. When we divide 12 with 2, we get 6. When we divide 2 with 2, we get 1. The values left are 6 by 1, which is equal to 6. So h is equal to 6 centimeters. The units of A, B and C are centimeters. So units of h will be centimeters. Now substitute the values of S, A, B and C in this formula to find area. That is equal to root of 6 into 6 minus 3 into 6 minus 4 into 6 minus 5. 6 minus 3 is 3, 6 minus 4 is 2 and 6 minus 5 is 1. So we can write this as root of 6 into 3 into 2 into 1. 6 into 3 is 18, 18 into 2 is 36, 36 into 1 is 36. So we can write this as root 36. Root 36 is 6. So area is equal to 6 centimeters square. The units of A, B and C are centimeters and units of S are centimeters. So units of area will be centimeter square. Now we can find the volume of a prism using the formula B is equal to area of the base into height. Substitute the values of area and height in this formula to find the volume. That is equal to 6 into 3. 6 into 3 is 18. So volume is equal to 18 centimeter cube. The units of area are centimeter square and units of height are centimeters. So units of volume will be centimeter cube. Next one, area of the base is equal to 30 meters square and height is equal to 8 meters. We can find the volume of a prism using the formula B is equal to area of the base into height. Substitute the values of area of the base and height in this formula to find volume. That is equal to 30 into 8. Now let us multiply these two in the rough work. 8 into 0 is 0, so write 0 here. 8 into 3 is 24, so write 24 here. 30 into 8 is 240. So volume is equal to 240 meter cube. The units of area of the base are meter square and height are meters. So units of volume will be meter cube.